Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Moving Pictures Kenya. Today, Kenyans have literally painted New York City white. This was the heart of New York City. It was an extraordinary event. It was dubbed the Labor of Love. It was an all-white Kenyan party, a celebration of love, culture, and unity.
Jamhuri all-white cruise. Jamhuri means Kenyan. So, sometimes we call it Wakanda, just to bring the black people together.
It took place aboard the luxurious Harbor Lights Yatch. The anticipation was palpable as guests arrived from all corners of the USA, eager to experience a unique fusion of African tradition and the vibrant energy of New York. As the guests made their way to the party, they traveled through the historic Hall and Underground Tunnel, a link between New York City and the neighboring state of New Jersey. The tunnel, known for its significance in transportation history, has been connecting these two bustling areas since it first opened in 1927. The tunnel's architecture and construction were marvels of engineering, testifying the progress made over the years.
My name is Janet. I'm visiting from Kenya, and it's beautiful. My cousin Joyce, she's treated me to this boat ride, and I'm so excited. It's beautiful. And, you know, all white party, good people, good vibes.
The guests emerged from the tunnel feeling a sense of excitement as they stepped onto the yacht. The stunning vessel was docked on the vast expanse of water known as the Hudson River, a legendary mass of water immortalized in numerous books, movies, and songs.
It's always a good opportunity to be out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Like to be in the Hudson River and everything else, and just seeing the New York City by night. That's really amazing, right? Yeah, it's awesome, man.
Despite being far from the glamorous savannas of Kenya, the Kenyan spirit thrived amidst the towering skyscrapers of New York City. As the Harbor Lights set sail, the guests were treated to a 4-hour cruise around the Big Apple. The iconic landmarks of the city stood tall along the shoreline, illuminated by the vibrant city lights.
Hi, my name is Leah, and this is T, and we're from Baltimore, and we're here on the midnight cruise, having a good time. Afro beats.
The first landmark that caught everyone's eye was the majestic Statue of Liberty. Proudly rising her torch in the bay, the statue greeted the partygoers with a symbol of hope and freedom. Standing tall with her torch held high, she symbolized the freedom and liberty that both Americans and Kenyans hold dear. Her majestic presence slowly turned the party into a Pan-African affair.
This is fabulosity. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. This is New York City. Come on, New York City.
Are you South African?
No, I am African.
Okay.
And African. Yes, Pan-African. No, we're from Botswana.
Kunjani.
Kunjani is South African, but I'm gonna give it to you because Kunjani is Zulu, and I'm not Zulu, but I can understand. In Botswana, we are what's up? No, I'm just that's more Bronx. In Botswana, rare Dumela. And this is more Botswana, like hello Dumelang. So this is Botswana. So we're from Botswana. This is not just a Kenyan event. This is an African event. This is why we from Botswana, we are here. Rari Dumela.
Dumelang, Africa. We love you, Africa.
Yes.
That's the only thing we're gonna say.
The moonlight cast a gentle glow on her, enhancing her beauty and making her presence even more inspiring. The Empire State Building, with its towering presence, served as a reminder of the city's indomitable spirit. It stood tall and proud amidst the cityscape. Its illuminated top glowed like a guiding star, reflecting the vibrant energy of the party below. The guests marveled at the iconic structure, appreciating the architectural marvel that has become a symbol of New York City's perseverance and ambition, qualities shared by many Kenyans.
Oh yeah, Sean, what's up? We here, we live, it's lit, all the way from PA. Came all the way from Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, came to join this festivity, everything perfect. Gotta make it out next time. Beautiful. Eunice, everybody did it big. Thank you for this, Eunice. Outstanding. Every year.
As the ship ventured further, it reached the iconic Brooklyn Bridge, an engineering marvel connecting the boroughs of Manhattan and Brooklyn. The illuminated suspension cables created a mesmerizing sight against the night sky, capturing the imagination of the partygoers. The bridge, with its seamless blend of artistic design and structural innovation, served as a reminder of the possibilities that emerge when individuals work together for a common goal, a sentiment that resonated deeply with the labor of love celebration.
Hi, my name's Estisha. I'm from Trenton, New Jersey, and tonight I feel so lovely. Like, I'm really enjoying myself.
Tonight was a great night. I'm Sasha, and tonight was great. It was great. The water's amazing, the ride's amazing, the drinks are amazing, the people are amazing. Thumbs up. I love it.
I'm Pandora. I'm here enjoying my time. I'm celebrating my engagement, so I'm excited about that.
Congratulations.
New Jersey, South Jersey, we all good. The event is so good. The weather's so good. I don't know what to say, man.
The energy on board the Yatch was contagious as the Kenyan beats vibrated through the air, accompanied by the infectious laughter and joyous cheers. The guests danced and celebrated, embracing the fusion of their Kenyan heritage and the cosmopolitan energy of New York. As the ship's captain kept the ship afloat, so did DJ Shinski keep the partygoers on their feet. They danced and sang along.
Say age, but happy birthday.
To my mom, thank you. Happy birthday. Good night. Happy to be here from Texas. All right.
All right. All right, bro. Happy birthday.
Throughout the voyage, the lively atmosphere was complemented by traditional Kenyan dishes infused with flavors and spices that transported the guests back to the African savannas. The aromatic scent of nyama choma lingered in the breeze, enticing everyone on board to have a bite. Indeed, food was in plenty. It all depended on whether you wanted it well done or very well done. As the party sailed along, friendships were forged and memories were written into the hearts of those present. The vibrant spirit of Kenya transcended borders, uniting people from different walks of life in celebration of diversity and cultural richness. They knew that this unique experience would forever be written in their minds as a testament to the power of unity and celebration. And so, As the city lights glimmered on the water and the sounds of celebration slowly faded into the night, the spirit of Kenya continued to emanate, leaving an indelible mark on New York. It was a reminder to the city that cultural diversity is the heartbeat of our global community. And indeed, Kenyans had been in town. My name is Bonventure, and this is Moving Pictures Kenya, connecting people, inspiring Africa.
My name is Eunice Juma. I am from Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. I love this event. It's Labor of Love in the New York City, city of York. And I'm very excited. It was the best. We had fun. We toured the whole New York City. And I'm sure Doris, are you not happy?
Oh my God, it was awesome, awesome.
How do you like that?
Oh my God, all white, all white.
It was a cruise and event,
yes.
Our white party. We always wait for this. We are very excited. Virginia, can you say something? We had fun. That was awesome. I'm Pauline from Virginia. Enid, this is the Women of Excellence. CEO Enid, can you say something? Hi, I'm Enid. This is Lisa and Janet from Pennsylvania. Hi, how you doing? Lisa, say something. Hi, how you doing? I'm Janet. Have fun, enjoy yourself. We really have fun. We enjoyed ourselves. I'm Enid and Lisa.
Hi. I am Lisa. It was a great time. Thank you.
Yeah. It was. We sure did. We had a great time. We had a great time. It was really nice. We enjoyed that. You guys, let's go.
As I sign off, here is how the crowd reacted to the Kenyan beats.
Kula ngoma sema. Come Gonna do hands up, one time everybody, hey! Come on! Hey! Say it!
DJ Shinski.
That is how the labor of love went down in New York City. I know you like this story. Please remember to share and subscribe to Moving Pictures Kenya, because whenever anything is happening, we will be there to bring you the story. My name is Bonventure, and this is Moving Pictures Kenya, connecting people, inspiring Africa.